Today on Real Estate Now for Agents, I want to talk to you about Google and what people are finding there. Hey, today I want to talk to you about, here on Real Estate Now for Agents, I want to talk to you about Google mostly. It applies to any search engine, but Google is the one, Lord knows, 90+% of people are using, so it's the one that matters most in terms of, search results and that type of thing. And so what I really wanted to ask today, or want to talk about today, is when someone Googles you, what do they find? What do they find? Are they finding links that are driving them to like your personal website, your branding, your social media channels? Are those things showing up on that search? The problem with it, when a lot of times I see the top search result will be that it links to an agent's page on their broker site, that's really just targeted branding or targeted search results that are driven back to the company website. And yeah, for the moment it links back to the agent's page, but it's really driving traffic to the real estate broker's website as opposed to really driving traffic to a place that's content branded for the real estate agent. And so I guess that's just something I've thought about for a long time, is I want that organic traffic when people are searching and clicking. I want it to go to me. I'm not interested really in promoting my broker site and their business. It's not how I'm built, not how I'm wired, I guess. But so I want to challenge you to go Google yourself and what does show up there. And then here's an even bigger question. What does it say? Where do you have a Google My Business page that shows up there? So when someone Googles your name, the search results are there. And then there's also that block that is your Google My Business results. And what does that look like? That's pretty important. It can be a very dominant feature if you have it there, including reviews. You should be building your own Google reviews there. These are reviews, your past clients largely, although anyone can largely write a review for you. Could be also people, if you have a favorite lender you do a lot of deals with, they could review you as doing really well. And there are ancillary businesses like that. Your friends can. I think you want to make sure you're building credibility with them, though. Don't fill it up with people you've never done real estate transactions with. But getting the people you do transactions with to review you on Google is really going to power those search results. And so I would challenge you today, just set about, if you're not already, set about building that up. And how you do it is one step at a time. It can be overwhelming if you go, oh gosh, I gotta work on my search results, and I gotta get my website to rank higher for my own name and my own business name, and I've got to get my Google My Business platform built up. Don't think of it that way. What's the first step? Get your Google My Business set up first. Get a few reviews added on there, and then systematically, week by week, start building it up, getting more reviews. You can, by the way, here's a tip, go back to people that you've done transactions with that have already closed and ask them to do reviews. You don't have to wait on your next closings. I would definitely work on getting those folks to review you, but go back to your previous transactions. Get them to write you reviews so you can power this thing up pretty quickly. So, that's really the tip for today. Get working on what shows up, what happens when someone Googles you, because by the way, anybody thinking about working with you, employing you as a real estate agent, is Googling you to find out more about you. So make sure you are in control of what those search results really look like. So that's the challenge for today. Start working on that and then keep incrementally building it. It'll turn into real results for you over time. So hopefully it's a helpful tip. If you'd like to know, by the way, what it looks like to partner with us at eXp Realty, click the link above where it says Agent Freedom Plan. You can click that link. It'll take you off to a page which shows you a little bit more about how we're building a business and the partnership and what it looks like to partner with us. And if you'd like to know more, there's a link to my calendar there where you can drop in. You can go ahead and set an appointment there to just put right on my calendar, and we'll set up a time to spend 15-20 minutes just chatting about what that partnership might look like. Otherwise, I'll talk to you soon.